Finally, the biggest leaks and rumors regarding Galaxy S24 is here. We could see the camera upgrade for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, although it is the same 200 megapixel sensor which we have on the S23 Ultra. It will still improve night mode and low light L's performance for both photos and video. It looks like Samsung is now truly unlocking the full potential of this main camera sensor. Samsung has also tried to improve their 200 megapixel mode with the help of iSamsung, is also rumored to bring 24 megapixel as the default photo resolution, which is going to be one of the biggest things that can happen on a camera. Now, Samsung is also giving many Galaxy AI features on the E24 series. One of the best features is the ability to remove objects from photos and video. This is the most powerful things you can do on your Galaxy S24. Now let's talk about the pricing. Everyone was thinking that we're going to see a price hike, but it can't be happened with all the new AI features. Samsung is keeping the same price as last year model, which means $799 for the Galaxy S24, $999 for the Galaxy E24 Plus, and $1,199 for the S24 Ultra. Exynos 2400 is back for Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, and only for some markets, because this is Samsung's own chip built on their own process. Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, this allow them to save money while we're going to get, including all the AI features, will be completely free and on the S24 series base model, which is $799, and you can experience all those AI features. You don't need to buy the Ultra for all those AI feature. So if you want to use all the AI features, the Galaxy S24 series base model is best for you. Comment your thoughts in the comments section below, and if you want more leaks. So subscribe and turn on the bell icon.